Claude Opus 4.7 has just been released by Anthropic, and after spending time with it today, I believe that this release marks a meaningful step forward for frontier AI models. Anthropic did not focus on dramatic benchmark headlines this time. Instead, they've concentrated on practical improvements that matter most for real-world use. Greater reliability, stronger instruction following, and better performance on complex extended tasks. What stands out immediately is how much more capable Opus 4.7 has become at long horizon agentic work. It plans with greater care, maintains focus over many steps, and now verifies its own outputs before delivering final results. Now, this reduces the need for constant supervision that many of us have grown accustomed to with previous models. In software engineering, the gains are particularly noticeable. Early reports from developers indicate that they can now hand over large, complicated code bases and receive cleanup, refactors, more accurate debugging, and better architectural suggestions with significantly less intervention. Wow. The model appears to catch logical areas earlier also in the planning phase and executes with higher consistency. Its vision capabilities have also advanced substantially. Opus 4.7 handles much higher resolution images, making it far more effective at analysing dense screenshots, complex diagrams, user interface mockups, and other visual materials that are essential for modern agentic workflows. Instruction following feels tighter, it just feels more literal this time. The model adheres more closely to what you actually ask, rather than making helpful but unintended assumptions. This is a welcome change for me and also for anyone who's building in AI and running detailed multi-step processes. The pricing remains unchanged. It's at $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens. The model is available immediately on Claude.ai, through Claude API, and on major cloud platforms including Amazon's Bedrock, Google Vertex AI, Microsoft Foundry. The constitutional principles that have always defined Anthropic's approach remain firmly in place with this release. And of course, this is not a perfect or final model. It still trails Anthropic's unreleased Mythos preview, the one that they leaked a couple of weeks ago, in certain raw capabilities. And like every new release, users will need to adjust some existing prompts and workflows. The new tokenizer also means that identical inputs may now consume slightly more tokens depending on the content. Even with those caveats, guys, Opus 4.7 strengthens Anthropic's position for serious builders and enterprises. For those working on advanced coding projects, autonomous agents, or high-stakes knowledge work, the improvements in this reliability and depth are genuinely valuable, and the competition is just heating up. I'm so excited about what ChatGPT, OpenAI are going to do, what Gemini are going to do next. But Claude seems to be widening the gap in the areas that are most important: practical deployment, consistency, careful reasoning, and trustworthy execution over long tasks. Guys, let me know if you played with this. This is awesome. Let's see what OpenAI release next week. They're going to release something. We know that. It has to be a big thing. It has to be huge because Claude are just winning the race. Subscribe, like, share. God bless.